We're making a one-pot dish today, and it's got a lot of those great flavors that give us comfort food. So why don't we jump over to the range and we'll get things started. In a hot skillet, we're going to start with some olive oil. We'll saute some onions, some garlic, and Italian sausage until it's fully cooked. Now let's add some tomato, chicken stock, and some heavy whipping cream. We'll bring that to a simmer. We should be ready now for some gnocchi. Let's add the gnocchi, cover it, and simmer it for 5 minutes. Some additional seasoning to your gnocchi is we've got some lemon zest, we have some Parmesan, and some fresh basil. Now simmer this for about another minute, then add salt and pepper to taste.